animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a cow. This is a cow. A rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next animal is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next one is a hippopotamus. This is a hippo. A zebra. This is a zebra. The next one is a tiger. This is a tiger. A yellow box fish. Is a shark. This is a shark. The next one is a queen parrotfish. This is a queen parrotfish. A horse. A horse is a farm animal.